Alrighty, so now that we've got the dowel marked, it's time to cut it. So to cut, we're going to use one of these so that when we cut, we don't cut into our bench. So we'll open our vise and we'll place that in the vise. And this will hold our job up off the bench so that we don't cut it. Next we will get our dowel and we will place it so that our cutting mark is in the gap. I'm going to use a couple of vise to hold it all together so that I have a nice stable workpiece. I would suggest that you also do so. Once I've done that, the next thing I need is a saw, and when we saw, we just take a nice and gentle, yes, you do need to put a finger in that position to begin with, but not down underneath here, up on the side so that it can't cut you, and just gently cutting through. And when you cut, cutting only happens on the forward motion. Dragging back is just bringing the saw back ready for the next cut. So, there we go. Cut through. You can take this off, and we now have our dowel cut at 50 millimeters, ready for the next step.